Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the pop-up blocker for your Chrome app. So first thing we got to do is open the Chrome app. It could be in your bottom toolbar or you find it on one of your pages. Click it open and in the top right you'll see three dots. Press those three dots and you'll get your menu options. And you want to go to Settings. Once you've clicked Settings, you need to find where it says Content Settings. After you click Content Settings, you can click Pop-up Blocker and make sure that it is turned off. Gray is off, blue is on, so we want to make sure it's gray. Once your pop-up blocker is off, you should be able to open your assignments without any trouble. Please contact your teacher if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.